Alright guys, out on a tree job today. We got a couple little black locusts here to take out. See all the trees are marked there, a couple cherry trees and some anonymous trees up there. I have to get a closer look at. It's really thick. A couple of these are going to have to climb, a couple I think we're going to just yank right over this old black locust right here. She's up there a little ways. But I'm hoping to clear this all out a little bit and then send her up the hill there. But let's get after it, guys. Hard black locust. Let's get to 2511 now. Come on. I need to get in there a little closer. Yeah, let's trim this up a little bit. Moving on up, and the locust, black locust. Let's go here. Honestly, but I can get that right in there. Might be able to do that. Yeah, that locust there, baby. She's up there. She is up there. Yeah, she'll need pulled over, but we'll manage her. We'll manage her. All right, hold on. Look at these things. Freaking definitely not doing what I'd like them to. And let's try to get up in there and get further. Get me up to that point. That's pretty good per inch. I get up here. up. Tame's horribly loose, guys. That sucks. Alright. Maybe I'll get my lifeline in a little higher here. Should have brought a tool. An easy tree, that cherry tree over there, but to put it in the right hole is not so easy. So if that tree wasn't there, we'd be laying it already right over there, guys. So a little bit of trickery here. Full show. For grab bar for a second. Taking this whole little cherry tree down. Got a rope to a come along out there. Just gonna show you guys how I do these little trees. They're deceiving. Got everything cut in there with the 543. And I like to get my little saw and then I'll cut into the back a little bit to start manipulating the tree. And let's get after it. All right, we heard a little snap cracky, so I'm gonna try to get it moving with this rope for the most part. For the most part. All right, I can see we got a little slack in the rope. Just a one-man band show today. And she didn't want to come up uphill, I guarantee you that. So we're trying to make her. Yeah, she developed a lot of slack. And I might end up trying to grab a hold of this thing if I have to. this is how. All right, stay out of there. There we go. That's how you do, man. That's how you do. You know, if I'd have cranked that the whole time, more than likely it could have fell that way a little bit, because I would have wanted to have been right here. I just wanted to tickle the side of that canopy there. Yep, guys, when wedgemanship seems a little bit impossible, bore through the center, boom. All right, now we have these locust trees. All right, the next tree is a locust tree. I got that little hanger there that would hit this fence. If I cut it when I was up in it, I did top it already. Got the rope hooked up, and she's about ready to go. Coming in a little well on that side, aren't we? Daggone, we are. That's alright. She'll be alright. It'll hold a little bit on that side, a little better. A little tricky with this other tree in my way. How much hinge we got there? Yeah, she's gonna hold on that side a little more, ain't no coming back in on that. Ain't no coming back in on that. Hell yeah, yeah. So that's good. We're holding on the right side. I'm I'm gonna try to take just a little bit more out over there, so don't hang too hard. I don't want to hang it too hard. She is about ready. Ain't gonna take much at all. You know that, there she goes. There she goes. That's money, dude. Yeah, you can see where I came in a little low on that side. I think it kind of worked in my favor to keep it a little right coming up here. Heck yeah. She's up there. I don't know if this video does justice or not. Got a little cavity here. Hopefully not a cavity in the tree. We're gonna try to fall right in the hole here. On the rope. Let's have a look here. I think we're coming in a little better than we did the last time. Yep, I think we're coming in a little better. We don't have all the tree we want here, so I'm gonna have to be very careful and cognizant of that. So got some good pre-tension on her. got a big hinge. That's okay. They're not like overly big, just lost a lot of back cut here at this cavity. The customer wants me to leave high stumps for the excavator, so to go, I mean, you can see how big that is. That's a little, and she's holding good. She's definitely holding good yet. I wonder if I get in there, just take a little bit more off there. Let's have a look in here. Let's clean that up just a little bit more. Some back cut there. Take much now. She won't take much. Just gonna kind of tap this in. All right, I'm gonna hike up here and be very careful as I do so. Be right back, guys. So yeah, it's a black locust. Hey, look, I know your locust likes to split. I'd be lying to say if I've done much in tree work with locust tree, but I do know the characteristics. So yeah, these have been my first couple. I just hope she doesn't get snagged, boys. Yeah, we definitely, here she comes. Here she comes. Where's she going? I definitely went left where I wanted it to. Well, we'll take it. We will take it. That scared me because I seen it drifting. Must have had a little more weight on that side. I tell you, if I didn't grab that line, she'd have been on the neighbors a little more there. But we got her. We got her. I got this little thing here too. And the thing about it is, it's going to be the hardest tree just for the fact I got to climb it because everything's over top this fence here. There she goes, guys. It scared me a little bit there. I kind of got lucky. I thought it was going in that tree there. I really did. Yeah, that had me a little nervous. Oh, guys, I thought I had a little larger hinge in that. This is what made it a little difficult here. This cavity. Beautiful looking hinge, huh? Right on, right on. I'll go up to the top of the tree since some of that's borderline neighbor property and get into some of that, guys.